Hi, Ashley from AnSen Repair here. Is your washer leaving water at the bottom after a cycle? This is a common issue many homeowners face. A washer that won't drain is often caused by a clogged filter, a blocked drain hose, or a failing pump. Lint, coins, or small items can easily stop water from draining properly. Start by checking the drain hose for kinks and cleaning the washer filter if your model has one. Avoid forcing another cycle if water remains inside. If the problem continues, internal components may need professional attention. AnSen Repair provides fast, reliable washer repairs across the GTA.